Now, this is a representative of a zero movement shave head for 1.25 inch Acme. Okay. Now, a Wickman would be very, very similar to this. We actually build them where you can put multiple rollers, or if you need 1, 2, or 3, if you got a longer part or shorter part. This example is for a longer part, obviously, but we make it where the shave head rollers are adjustable and the top part of the head is adjustable. And this is too tight. I can't move it. But this module is on the top, and it slides out the side where you change your insert. The cutting tool is actually setting in there upside down. Can you guys see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
The insert's right here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And, you know, the roller supports are underneath. So this is what we call an upcut shave head. And this module, you unloosen this bolt, this module is sitting on a keyway. It's got teeth in it. It's like a serrated head, and it slides out the side. You change your insert, you put it back in, lock this bolt, everything is set back to zero right where it was.
So your idea is you would have another module off the machine you'd slap back in there?
You could do that. You could do that. It would be even faster if you had a module off already loaded, mm-hmm. or you can just loosen the clamp screws and change the insert out and slide it back in. And on a conventional tool, when you take that out and put it back in, you have to reset everything, right, because you're not going to drop it right back in place. This thing drops it. I mean, it's dead zero. It's perfect. And it repeats and repeats and repeats. So, and then if you want to change parts, you take the module out again, put the insert in for that part number, slide it in here. It's already designed to move to the exact position that the next part cuts. I mean, the next part number will be cutting. Mm-hmm. So like Parker, if they're doing like 25 or 20 different fittings that are similar in size, then we build this. So instead of taking 2 days to do a changeover, we can do it in about an hour. Change a whole machine over in about an hour from part to part.
For an Acme?
Mm-hmm. For an Acme or a Wickman or a New Britain, we do them all. The Gildemeister, Index.
Very cool.
Yule Turns, whatever.